Starting a gold IRA might sound like a complex process, but if you're a beginner, I'm going to show you exactly how to start one step by step, so you can diversify and protect your wealth like thousands of Americans are doing right now. Gold IRAs have become one of the most reliable ways to secure your future, especially in today's volatile economy. But before we dive into the specifics, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend you check the first link in the description for a free guide on why so many Americans are opening gold IRAs. This free guide will help you understand exactly how gold IRAs can give you the peace of mind you need, especially if you're looking to safeguard a substantial amount in your retirement accounts. Now, let's jump into how to start a gold IRA. Step 1. Choose the right custodian. You can't just buy gold and place it in a retirement account. You need to choose a self-directed IRA custodian who specializes in gold IRAs. These custodians help you set up the account, hold the physical gold, and ensure everything is done according to IRS rules. It's important to research and choose a custodian with a good reputation, transparency, and low fees. I'd recommend reviewing the best-rated companies in this space before making your decision. Step 2. Fund your gold IRA. Once you've chosen your custodian, the next step is to fund your account. You can do this by rolling over funds from an existing IRA or 401k into your gold IRA. If you don't have a retirement account yet, you can make a direct contribution. It's a fairly simple process, and a good custodian will help guide you through it. Keep in mind, gold IRAs have contribution limits, so make sure to stay within those to avoid any penalties. Step 3. Select your gold investments. With your account set up and funded, the next step is selecting the gold you want to purchase. You can invest in physical gold, such as coins or bars, or gold-backed assets like gold ETFs or mining stocks. The IRS has specific rules on what kind of gold is eligible, so make sure to stick with IRS-approved gold, like American Gold Eagles, Canadian Gold Maple Leafs, and certain gold bars from recognized refineries. Step 4. Storage. Once your gold is purchased, it needs to be stored in an IRS-approved depository. You can't keep it at home or in a safe deposit box. Your custodian will help arrange for the secure storage of your gold in a facility that meets IRS standards. This is to ensure your gold is protected and your IRA remains compliant with IRS regulations. Step 5. Monitor your gold IRA. After everything is set up, your job isn't done. It's important to monitor your gold IRA regularly. Keep track of gold prices, market trends, and any changes in IRS regulations that could affect your account. Some custodians even offer online platforms to make this easier for you. Staying informed will help you make the best decisions for your future. Gold IRAs provide a hedge against inflation, market downturns, and currency devaluation. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold's value tends to rise during times of economic uncertainty, which makes it an ideal choice for retirees looking to protect their wealth. Compared to traditional IRAs or 401ks that invest in paper assets like stocks and bonds, gold IRAs are tangible, secure, and offer long-term growth potential. They can be especially beneficial if you're worried about the instability of the stock market or want to keep your wealth insulated from economic uncertainty. If you're someone with $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even $5 or more in savings, starting a gold IRA is one of the most powerful ways to protect and grow your wealth. By adding gold to your retirement portfolio, you're making a strategic move that can secure your financial future. So, if you want to get started today, click that link in the description to grab your free gold IRA guide and take control of your wealth. This information could be a game changer for your financial future. And remember, the best time to protect your wealth is now. Thanks for watching.